Hi guys, this is the Tech Boy, and I am going to be doing a what's new and review of this build and stuff, like I've been doing for a while. Oops, yep. So this is already one thing. I'll talk about that in a second. I have been getting some requests to make my channel a bit better. So I am speaking a bit louder, as you can tell, doing my best to. And I am trying to make it a bit better and more consistent. So you can expect that. So this build is 18323. It is now in the 19H1 release string. So we are moving on to stabilizing, and this is also now version 1903. So we're definitely moving on. This should be changing to 2019 pretty soon, and we'll hope for that. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this page here being separated from Cortana. It looks a bit strange being not around there. I would think it would make more sense being in the middle of the screen. And Cortana is still dark in the dark mode. I mean dark in the light mode, which is kind of strange that it is. They really need to fix that before release. Otherwise, this build is very stable. It's nice. Looks nice, works nice. Yeah. There are some errors though, as you just saw. Malwarebytes is not compatible. It has issues with this build. Protection is turned off except for exploit. But I want to go over something else in this video. Some inconsistencies in Windows that need to be fixed. Windows has many inconsistencies, like for example, one inconsistency in Windows is the legacy apps. Like we have File Explorer, simple built-in application, very legacy, needs to be updated. But that is a simple error there, but there are so much more. So let me show you. The first thing I want to show you is sidebars. So take a look at this. So first I'm going to open up your phone. Okay. Now I'm going to open up Windows Security. Okay, and now I'm going to open up Feedback Hub. I want you to take a look at these. So if you look at your phone, number one, look at the sidebar on the left. It's transparent. It has acrylic material. Looks beautiful, huh? When we click on settings, we have a thick blue bar showing us that we are highlighted, that we are in settings, and above settings we have a little line, and a line here too. Make it smaller, it looks like that. If we go into Feedback Hub, no transparency, look, none, and it's a darker gray sidebar. And when we click settings, we have another thick blue bar. It's kind of similar to that. And in here, you can see that we have our own updating app. That's one thing. But you can see that this is a darker gray color, okay? Now let's take a look at this. Now we have a lighter gray color, my God. And when we highlight settings, it's a thin blue bar. What is going on here? Do we have like Microsoft Teams, different ones for Windows, like not communicating with each other? What exactly is going on here? Because whatever the heck it is, it isn't okay. And Windows looks really funky, these sidebars, and really needs to be fixed. Okay, it really needs to be fixed. Big time. Now let's take a look at Groove Music. Look at this. It's even more different. What is going on here? Look at that. We even have this weird looking search bar, and that is just a whole nother story from settings now. Look at this search bar. That's right, and we don't even have that little hamburger menu here. What is going on? I have no idea. Now let's see if we click settings. That's on there right there, so you can't even show that. It is completely messed up here. So they really need to get their sidebars more on track. Now we also look, it is not Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview anymore, it's Windows 10 Pro, so that's another thing. Now there's more inconsistencies. Let's look in Microsoft Store. Look at the acrylic on the top. This acrylic material shines through to the objects and items on the Windows Store, on the Microsoft Store. But we take a look at the acrylic material on the calculator, for example. This shines through to the acrylic to the items and info on the desktop. So that's totally different. Yet another example is the Photos application. This also shines through to the desktop. They really need to get working on this big time. Now let me show you the Mail app. Look at this. I had gotten the new Mail app for a short period of time and then it disappeared. So I thought, oh, is it that preview thing? No, I do not have a button for preview. So, very screwed up. Sets was supposed to come with this update. Nope. So was a new Edge. Nope. So BuildFeed went down. They shut it down. Very, very sad. Take a look at BuildFeed. It has been a reliable source for builds. You can see they just canceled it. There's a new one you may want to check out. I'm going to put it in the description. It is msbuilds.rg-adguard. You may know that AdGuard site from esodownloads.net. Looks like this. Bit weird. I have no idea why it's called the Microsoft Buffet database, but it is. And you can see there are actually 19 H2 builds being leaked. So we're probably going to have those within a couple weeks. Isn't that cool? Let's see what happens. I like just searching Windows 10 for fun. Clicking news. Not much new, but aside from the inconsistencies, there are so many issues in Windows. This light theme is just the very first step. It's a humongous step, one of the biggest steps, and I'm glad they did it. What I wonder is why they made the settings icon dark gray. I don't see the reason for that, but okay. Also, they should make this a full dark and call this Windows Dark, and then have Windows Light, and maybe have Windows Mixed is my thought. I also think that they should make the Windows Light theme the default theme. Automatically switch if you previously had the mixed theme set. I think that would make sense. Mixed theme meaning quote unquote light. So Malwarebytes is a software I use, and I don't know why it's not working. I've heard it's because of the issues with drivers. I don't know. I created a little PWA with a tool called NativeFire. Talk about that more in another video, but I created a little PWA for the Microsoft Buffet database, so it shows that in a little app like BuildFeed did. Acts a bit weird though sometimes, as you can see. Taking a really long time to load, if it even does. Very weird. Here it is. It's suspended. This is kind of an issue with this build, I guess. It starts loading apps when they're suspended. And either you reload it and it works, or you reload it and you just gotta wait again a long time. Like 30 or more seconds for it to actually load. So let's wait. Still waiting. Yeah, this is really an issue with this build. The suspended apps being loaded. It's kind of strange. I really have no idea why it's happening. I know that they're working, but I just don't know why they're suspending. I'm going to wait 10 more seconds and then I'm going to quit for now. Okay, I'm just going to end that task and try it later. When this build is actually kind of fast, I don't know if that's supposed to be happening, but it actually really sped up my computer. This is my Outlook web app 2010 for my virtual machine. It's loading nice and fast actually. My virtual machines are running better. Made some changes to ESOBook, the last thing I'm going to show in this video today. Little changes there, and my ESOBook blog was acting weird before. I don't know. Oh no, it works now. Okay. So yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you for watching the Tech Boy. Any more comments on how to make my channel better would be great. You could post them in the comments right below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.